We were asked for assistance by the Iranian government. We did make clear to them that we would offer assistance as we would do in response to any request by a foreign government in this sort of situation, and ultimately we're not able to provide that assistance. So first of all, we are not going to apologize for our sanctions regime at all. The Iranian government has used its aircraft to transport equipment to support terrorism. So we will continue to fully enforce our sanctions regime, including our sanctions regimes on aircraft for use by the Iranian government. Ultimately, it's the Iranian government that is responsible for the decision to fly a 45-year-old helicopter in what was described as poor weather conditions, not any other actor.
The United States had no part to play in that crash, and that's a fact, plain and simple. I won't speculate as to what they'll claim. Again, they have to conduct an investigation to see what the cause of the crash was. It could be a number of things: mechanical failure, pilot error, you name it. So.
Can you sort of explain why the U.S. is expressing official condolences for the death? This is someone the U.S. has previously cited for overseeing terrible human rights abuses. Was this something that the president himself weighed in on?
Offering condolences is a typical practice. I mean, President Raisi was responsible for atrocious human rights in his own country. The arrest and the physical violence against hundreds of protesters, for instance. And of course, he's responsible for the support that Iran provides, or he was responsible for the support that Iran provided the terrorist networks throughout the region. No question, this was a man who had a lot of blood on his hands. That said, as we in any other case, we certainly regret in general the loss of life and offered official condolences as appropriate.